So how do you look at this verdict, sir?
It's been a very long nightmare for my family. I'm relieved that it's finally over. And I'm very grateful to have received justice, because justice is not always a given thing in this country anymore. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Please, distance,
the government,
distance.
state government.
Do that, please.
Sir, we know state government.
One second, question, please. I'm coming on that. My God, what's up?
So government fixed you up. Sir, did you think the government fixed you up?
Time and privacy, my family needs it. We will speak to the press, but give us some time. It's been a very tough road for all of us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.